I'm Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University. Today, we are discussing in something related with the entrepreneurship development. Particular, we will discuss about the operating the small scale industries. This is basically the operating manuals. So, we will discuss today a straightwise simple introduction to what we have to do while managing enterprise development. So we have been discussed each and everything, how the enterprise to be created, how we have to start the business from the product ideation, we have to stabilize the unit, but in the development cycle, what we have to look after in a detailed view. Then after we will take up in the operating manuals, marketing, finance, HR, operation, human resources, performance appraisal, that we will take up in phase by phase, right? So first of all, what we have to discuss the things, A part. A means before setting up a small scale enterprise, before setting up of a small scale industries, SSI, MSC, small scale industry, small scale enterprises. Industry is basically the production unit, the enterprise is basically the same thing, but it can be the service sector also. So the main thing is to be in this process, what we have to do, how we have to deal with before setting off a small business. So this thing we have to look after in that particular manner by which other can also understand how that deals with that. So in the small scale industries, we know the concept was very clear. We have to deal with the present position of the institution in which we are working is to be in any type of business. So first one, in this, if you have to look after, first one, the thing is deal with specific challenges. Deal with specific challenges. Challenges is to be. What are the business? Whatever the single business to be there, what you have to look after? First thing, seed money. You look after. You have to arrange the seed money. Seed money, that amount is to be necessary for the investment and starting of a new business. Physical location of the business enterprises, construction or physically demanding work, third, fourth, management skills, fifth, accounting skills, sixth, marketing skills, and the last is market maintenance of equipment, machinery and premises. In the case of person to person, persons with disabilities, if to be there, physical and mental capabilities also necessary to stabilize any type of business. Before starting, that's why I'm just telling you things. So, this is the various challenges we have to deal with. And the main thing, before starting of a business, you should know what is your strength, what is your weakness. So, it is the human being, it is the basically entrepreneur. You should take up your things. So regarding the SWOT analysis, you should be take care. Then how every person, not a single person is to be the 100% absolute person. But whatever your strength, whatever the weakness to be there. So if the weakness was there, so how I compensate for my weakness? This you should analyze in a very proper way. Then what are my current personal needs, why I have to stabilize the unit, why I have to go for the entrepreneurship, this you have to look after. And who will be working with me in this starting operation of the business enterprises. You have to do so. So whatever the concept is to be there, whatever the values is to be there, you have to do. The first thing is before setting off SSI or small scale industries, you have to very much conscious about yourself. So this particular is particularly yourself. Now the second thing, what you choose the right business. Choose the right business, because right means progressive, demanding choices is to be there. Because every person, whatever, right business is different from person to person. If I have experience in the field of ब्रेड इंडस्ट्री, कॉस्मेटिक्स, वॉट एवर, तो मेरे लिए वो बिजनेस बहुत अच्छा है. लेकिन इफ आई हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस, आई एम न्यू फॉर दैट। आप किसी भी शॉप पे जाइए, किसी भी, कभी कभी आप ज्वेलरी शॉप पे जाइए, उनसे कहिए कि ये कोई सोना चांदी वॉट, उनको दिखाइए, कहिए इसमें कितनी प्योरिटी है, वो तुरंत ही देख के बता देगा। मगर हमारे लिए उसको जानना, उसको सीखना, उसको समझना, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग्स। सो right business is nothing is to be there, it's depend on person to person. We have to look after, and as per the need of the market needs, we have to stabilize the things, and there are certain limitations in the market, so we have to look after the thing. A plant and small scale enterprises should be able to produce sufficient income to justify the time and energy invested in the venture. So during the setup of the business, make a list of what you would like to do. लाइफ में जब भी कैरियर शुरू करते हैं, अगर किसी मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी में आप जाएंगे इन द इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम, तो आपसे कहे जाएंगे कि आप अपने बारे में लिखिए, what you want to become after 2 years, after 5 years, after 10 years, after 15 years. What is the motive is that? They just want to get down कि what is your stepping stone can be laid down in the future, and beside this, what you want to become and how you will contribute toward the side of the organizations. So make a list what you would like to do, and then also make a list what you are doing good at doing. First you prepare a list what you will do, and second in which area you are good, you just put down. So in this, so when your right business is to be there are certain things you have to stabilize. What stabilization can you cut down? Nowadays we have to put down at the rate, like that things. At the rate means like this. So first, at the rate, if you have to put down, I will start with what you like. In what means remain realistic. Remain realistic. Second, try to be objective. How this to be carrying out? Investigate the market and its need. While the stabilization of the need, you have to stabilize the objectives to be there. Then you have to put down the review the competition, and review the competition. It gives, competition means market analysis. Market analysis. Then you have to look after opportunity. Then consult with other for idea generation, not deviation of the ideas to be there. Because then we have to hiring means spending money in the terms of HR, in the terms of raw materials, important. So always you should be ready for that, and check impact on the family of your business, because if this is not become successful avenue for you, then you cannot see that. Yesterday, I am seeing an interview of a film actor. He was just telling that, and I think the show was Rajat Sharma's Aapki Adalat, like that. In this, he was just asked a question to that actor, that sir, how your film is to be completed within 45 to 50 days or 55 days. Even a lot of director, a lot of producer, they are provided, they are giving the time around 1, 2 years, 3 years time, or then pictures cannot be ready accordingly. Then he has given very decent answer was there. He told that if we will utilize the time in a proper way, in the movie, if we will shoot 3 minutes only per day. What is the length of the movie? It's 2.5 hours. 2.5 घंटे की होती है. और if a particular a day you can shoot only for the 3 minutes, then multiply, and you will need only 50 to 52 days only, nothing else. How? But for that, every unit member should be ready. Everything should be planned for finishing of this 3-minute shooting is to be here. So you need to utilize the perfect time in a perfect manner. No need to go for the thing. And Not a single business. He suggested also. I just learned on something in that just. He told that no movie can be flop if he release in time, because whatever the audience want, they want the real things to be there. And if need is today, you will show down after 3 years of time, no one will take action on it. So that thing is to be, you should be very realistic. The same thing was telling the Tata. If you cannot finish down the work within a stipulated time of the organization, you cannot go for the success story. Same thing in enterprise. If you have to remain consistent here, definitely you will take the real values of that story. So, because I am operating the small scale industries, these are the basic concepts I am discussing here by this means of that. If we are stabilize anything in the rural areas, because this is a very practical thing, because in entrepreneurship development, this is the approaches was there. So I will take up this thing in a very case study like or something example based type of thing. The right business also means that it's readily available and required in terms of raw materials and local demand. And if that is the rural areas, there are 3 broad categories. Like an example, on the farm, if you have to handicraft type activities is to be there, and then the services was there. If you have to look after on the farm, because we are going to choose the right business to be there. If the right business is to be urban area or the rural area. If I am residing in rural area, so we have to certain things can be associated, certain things can be acquired to be there. Like rice and other crops, fruits, vegetables, mushrooms, flowers, animal rearing skill worms, beekeeping, breeding, agriculture. This type of things can be easily available, and we can think our mind towards that side. Urban area is a different thing. There's the service industry can be also come down. There should be also some handicraft activities can be carried out, like silk and cotton weavings, basket weavings, metalworks, pottery, paintings, a lot of things is to be there. And regarding the services in the urban area, if you have to, we have to start with, because the service industry can be come down, like bikes or motorcycle or tractor repairing center you can open down there. Then barber shop you can be there. Radio, television repair can be proceed out. Food processing. Then various sales of the various products can be carried out in the means of the rural population. So we have to look after these things. So first, before setting off SSI, check down yourself. Second, choose the right business. Then, third thing. Third thing is review market demand and the competition. Review market demand and the competition. And the competition. What is mean is to be there. Main thing is market is everywhere. But if you want to enter the market, you just think of, can you enter in that? इसको एक सिंपल एग्जांपल है. आपको आपके भाई की पैंट मिल गई या पिताजी की पैंट मिली और आपसे कहा गया आप इसमें फिट हो जाइए, तो क्या आप उसमें फिट हो पाएंगे? पॉसिबल है? यस. अगर उसमें हमारे साइज से या तो वो बड़ी हो तब हम उसके अंदर फिट हो सकते हैं, या नहीं हो तो नहीं हो सकते, या हमारे साइज की हो तो हम फिट हो सकते हैं. सेम थिंग हियर इज टू हियर. इफ द मार्केट में जगह है, आप जा सकते हैं. यू कैन penetrate the market today, you can stabilize the market, you can stabilize things today. Definitely the things can be come down in a very positive way. But the space should be there. So if the things what you are producing, if it's in demand, definitely you can stabilize the process to be there. And the main thing in the market, you have to look after who are my competitors, who are my customers, and how much can the market absorb before saturation, and is there any shortage or surplus things is present situation by which I can enter in the market. You can just chest down the things, because whatever the things, day by day, a lot of companies becoming, a lot of entrepreneurs coming down. They are just internal things is to be there. During the lockdown, some strategies can be carried out regarding the sanitization and other process. So a new market can be come down, and maybe possible that market exists earlier also, but that is only for the hospitals and healthcare industries also. Now things will be come down in a user friendly the public services also. So this type of thing can be carried out. You have to then fourth point. In this fourth point, check seasonability. Seasonability. You have to do the reasonability. Here we have to put down the seasonability. Agriculture and other farmings are often seasonal. So if you have the opportunity toward the side of the rural things, you can just think of that. If you want, so you have to decide which type of business you have to stabilize the things. If in a general way, in a general process to be there, you look after that business. If you look after that business, which is to a seasonal basis, you have to just think of this. In the rural business, if the crop are there, so after that crop, what will you do? You have to decide. Then, if that is not the off season, if the things not in seasonable weather, so whether if I am opening any motorcycle or scooter repairing in the shop was to be there, like small scale industries was there in a very like workshop manual. So I will just after how much motorcycle is to be available in that particular area, whether they are going for the structured service center or not. If this type of whether they are ready to pay down the service charges or whatever, things can be carried out. And besides this, the service or the product required for the certain period of years, or they have to look after for certain period. So this thing you can be accommodated. Some products can be grown off, some products can be not off severe, because a lot of brand, a lot of things can be carried out. If you have to look after the crop business was there, to can the product kept in storage, this type of things can be carried out. Now, fifth, decide on business size. Decide on business size. Care. Here you always use the care. Because you are the entrepreneur, you know your strength, you know your weakness, you know your seed money was there. So, whatever. If too small of your business, the business may not be feasible. If it's too big, it becomes too difficult to manage properly and can require extra help, which adds to cost. If you are ready to paying the cost, start with the whole business to be there. And then, if it's really too big, the market may not be capable of absorbing the procedures to be there, then again you will be lost in that way. So you just think of, because on this particular point, decide on business, you have to look after who are your client, then where are the client, then how many clients are there, then how much product or services can each client use. I can stabilize a very good banner of this, like sanitizer product we have to start with. But when we have to go for the markets to be there is very small person is to be there who are using these things to be there. Then my whole concept can be changed. Same. Are there any season or days or the week when the product or services are demand more? You have to look after that things also. Then what percentage of the business share can I expect to take? How much money do I have to start this business? This is the prime thing to be. Because money is a very constant thing to be there. You can get down the money from other sources to be there, but whenever you are looking up, you have the certain capacities to be there. In this capacity, you have to manage the things. Then how much I can manage by myself and how can I assure quality? This thing you have to look after, because then only you can decide the business sizes to be there. Because ultimate or unless you have to do. Then sixth, identify the location. Identify the location. Location is the prime objectives. Location is the prime things to be there. Because this is the crucial role in starting of the new business, while whatever. Because land, premises, each and everything. In the land and premises, you have to look after whether this is the justification of your business entire thing. Because how much land I need, how much space I need, what is the price I can pay, either it's a rental basis, new building needed or not, or rent on the business, if how much rent I can pay down every month is to be there, but because this is the new business you have to start with. Then decoration is to be needed, this type of things you have to look after. Then seventh, you have to look after each and every 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now check availability of the raw material, check availability of raw material, because this is the prime things. So what are the supplier? You should be identified. Number of suppliers, because if one supplier cannot be supplied according to your needs is to be there, you just look after other aspects to be there. Here, number of suppliers, you should get down in knowledge, and it is important to avoid relying on single supplier. You always take up some different suppliers, because then only you can give a stabilize the market is to be there. Then 8. Identifying funding, because you are the newcomer in the business to be there, and whatever the process to be there, you should be take care of that from there, because this is the universal truth is to be there. जिसके पास पैसा होता है लोग उसी को पैसा देना चाहते हैं. If you are starting a new business, you have not much money is to be there, even you have no money is to be there, I think it's a very difficult condition when you come down when you want to stabilize your own business. So you just check down from where you will get down the fund, and then only you have to start your business. In India now some Mudra Yojana, some other concept is to be coming down, and already things are running on. So you have to look after each and everything before starting of your business to be there. Because for operating of the small scale industries, this thing plays the vital role in that. Then, so these are the general program, general things is to be there. Because beside this, there are certain things we will discuss in a very detailed forms to be there. Like we have to review the market, we have to concept is to be there, whatever. Then we have already discussed about the competitions. So ultimate in this competition, because area has to be competitive, you should look after how the competition will come. Who are our customers? What are the businesses doing? And how we have to deal with the competitors, how others are dealing with the competitors to be there. So you have to think of that also. Then before starting any type of business, any type of empire, you just check feasibility. Check feasibility. Any type of enterprise, because operating the small scale industries, you look after these 9 or 10 points to be there in day-to-day businesses to be there. Before, otherwise, you cannot survive in the market, you cannot stabilize the things to be there, and the main thing was there, you cannot stand in the market is to be there. Because whatever the small scale industries, you know the better thing is to be there, and you are starting these things to be there. So, whatever small is operating small scale industries, I am just revising the concept was there. If you have to look after, first, deal with the specific challenges, whatever you have to deal with. Then, that means, second thing, that means deal with the specific challenges means you know about your strength, weakness, opportunity and threat concept is to be there. Then the second was there, choose the right business at the right time, at the right places to be there. Then, you have to think of whatever the next step, you have to decide in which area you have to develop yourself and get them. Then review market demand and the competitors, this is the thing. And after that, you just, because I'm just compiling this chapter is to be, then check seasonability. If seasonability, reasonability, both you have to look after. Then you have to decide whatever the business side should be take care. Then you have to look after identify the location we have to put down. Then check availability was there. Then You have to drag gear, availability of the raw material. This is the check feasibility analysis. This is the complete concept. So, in meaning of the operating small electricity, you have to look after to stabilize any type of new business by an entrepreneur.